to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I am here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today is going to be a very special video. I'm shooting this after I have shot the entire video actually. So the video that you're going to see is a vlog, and I've never done a vlog before, so mind the excuses and things that you may notice. But I'm going to be taking you through my entire week, and in this week I am going to be visiting all my sites that are currently going on, which are currently in the execution phase. The other sites in which we are doing the designing and things like that, I am omitting from this video. But of course you will see me travel to different sites and you'll see the stages they are at, and I hope this is a little bit like behind the scenes, so I hope you enjoy the video. We may not be able to publish the entire vlog in one video because I think it will become some 40-45 minutes, so we may have to do it in 2 parts, and if that happens, enjoy both of them. So check out the vlog now.
So today this is the first site that I'm going to be visiting, and I'm going to be taking you along to all my sites. Now let's see what is the site progress here. So yes, the material is loaded. This is the reality of our sites. There is Hindi, she's talking to the contractor here. Okay, so we are ready with the structures of this room. You guys can go ahead. This is how bare bones of a site looks. This is, I think, the guest room, and that is the master bedroom. Yeah, the structures are in place here as well. This is how the skeleton structure of the wardrobe looks like. And kitchen, okay, the kitchen work is also started. Now this progress that you're seeing is about a week old. So my last visit to this site was last Saturday. So yeah, pretty much not last Saturday, last Friday. So this is almost like a week old work that you're seeing.
Okay, so I have arrived at my second site visit for the day, and I'm just going to mask up and put my thing on, and I'm going to show you along.
So come, let's go and have a look at what is the progress of the site, and yeah, I'll take you around with me today. So yeah, this is the entrance of yet another site that we're working on. We have the shoe rack here, and this site has been going on for I think 3 weeks, and so the progress I see today is the laminate has been already put here. Okay, so today I see that the electricals for my false ceiling, yes, I said false ceiling, you heard me right. I'm going to show you a few sites with false ceiling this time. That's done. Oh, lovely. The shiplap wall for my TV unit is also up. This is the TV unit over here. And yeah, let's see what's oh, very good. So this used to be the existing platforms in the kitchen, and they've all been removed. The tiles have been removed. So we are in process of laying the new counter slab. This was a wall here which we have broken down, and here you can see Rutuja. She is the site manager for this site, and she's explaining to the workers what needs to be done. So yeah, the cabinetry is pretty up, and so then now we're in a position that we can lay the granite over here and the tiles and everything. This is going to be their little bar counter. This is going to be a lovely breakfast bench here. Let's see what is there inside. Oh wow, I'm so happy to see this. So here we have a headboard which is fully made of pine wood. This is going to be a very beautiful site, one of the mid-century sites. So you can see the shapes of the mirror, and you can see, oh, this lovely laminate is also up. And so that's a seating that we have created, and this is going to be a nice bookshelf. We've got shiplap paneling happening behind the bookshelf, and this is the console unit. So it gives me I feel so happy when I come back. Oh, the bed has also been laminated. Nice, this is a good site progress. So we have about 20-21 days to complete this site. So yeah, I mean, it may not look like it right now, but I think we are getting there. The laminates are up, and now it's pretty much the paint and all of that. So you can see that I'll just show you how they have a walk-in closet here, which is like that. The lamination is up for that as well. This is the dressing area. The mirror that you just saw will go right here. Okay, all in all, I think it's a good progress for the site. So stick along with me when I take you to the next site now. So now we are on our way to see the third site. This is a new site which we haven't yet started. So and it's actually a renovation. It's things are already in place, and we need to redo a lot of things here because the clients are feeling that the contractor who was doing their job earlier has not done. It's not up to their choice and mark now. So it's going to take me a little while to reach there, and as soon as I do, I'll show you everything around. So we've reached our third site visit for the day, and I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the view is. I love these by-lanes where you have these lovely trees, and it looks really magical behind me too. So peaceful, and I mean, you do have the noise, but it's still quite peaceful. And there is Nidhi. She's trying to coordinate the keys for the site. So yeah, I will connect with you as soon as I get onto the space now. So I'm going to see this site for the first time today, and this is going to be a time when I'll show you what the place looks like. And during the videos, I'm going to actually place these clips and show you what we have done to it. So yeah, so I think this is how the existing contractor left this thing, and this is the safety door that they have, which we need to replace. Then there is this door, and they have a bulky shoe rack here. This looks like a cupboard, but definitely this needs to go. We have a TV console here, more like a storage space, of course. So this definitely needs to be remodified. And they have some kind of crockery unit here, which we're also looking at remodifying. And this is the space for the fridge. No problem. So our clients just walked in. I'm going to have a meeting with them. You can say hi to them. Hi. now it's about 2:30 and I'm going to visit my fourth site for the day. This is a flat of a client who I have worked for before, and this is one of the most viewed videos on my channel. If you haven't viewed it, I'll link it in the description box for you. So we had finished the entire house, and because of COVID, they're working from home, and since it's a big joint family, they would like to use their balcony space and make it into a home office or a study table kind of a setup. So I'm just going to go and have a look at their balcony, discuss out a few options that we have in mind, and yeah, I'll take you along. So let's see. I'll just show you. This is how the door looks now. It looks exactly the same where we left it. Hi. Hello. ओके सो हम को ये इतने बॉक्सेस अकोमोडेट करने हैं उसमें.
इसका साइज भी मैंने उस दिन उसको बोला.
ठीक है, ठीक
15 से 20 रहेंगे.
ठीक है. सो वी नाउ विल मेक द स्टडी टेबल दिस साइड, है ना. तो ये हमें थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. एंड निधि व्हाट वी वर थिंकिंग विद देम, ये रिमूव करने की सोच रहे थे ना हम, मतलब यहाँ तक रखेंगे सो दैट इसमें आ सकता है अगर स्लाइडिंग, प्रेफरेबली लाइक दैट. So now I am, I think, on the final site visit for the day. This is a commercial site. It's a dental clinic, something that you haven't seen me do before or haven't heard me mention before. So yeah, but and this is a full-fledged project where we are completely revamping and kind of we remove the flooring and we literally, it's like a big blank hall, which will, you know, and we're going to build everything from scratch. So this is going to be an interesting project for you to watch. This is going to take a while. So right now we're only in the process of, you know, trying to get the flooring and all of that done. So here is the project. So yeah, this is pretty much the condition of this space. We've ripped out the entire floor here, and what we're doing is just telling to stop, and we put all the plumbing pipes here. This is all the material that will go for the fall ceiling, the electrical wiring. So this is how practically a bare site is, you know. So since we have, it's a dental clinic, we have a lot of plumbing and electrical technical details to be worked out here. We've also constructed this wall here, which is for the CVCT. They are going to have some kind of equipment there which needs to be radiation proof. Yes, so this is the condition of this site, and I think this should be up and running in the next 3 months. And I'll keep you posted on the update. Now I'm going to go and speak to my contractors for different jobs here.
So I hope you enjoyed this little journey with us, and you've seen the sites that are happening a lot. Once this vlog is published on our YouTube channel, you'll actually notice that the videos from the sites will have probably finished by then. I think 2 sites are already done by the time you see this. 3 sides are already done by the time you see this vlog. So the videos of these vlogs are going to be coming soon, so do consider subscribing and follow us on Instagram so that you can keep yourself updated with what we're doing. And till then, till I see you in the next video, bye bye.